Hello Valpo, I'm Storm Shield Meteorologist Matt Stoughton, here to help us take a look at the weather today, Wednesday, October 30th, 2013. So what is the weather going to be like over the next few days? Well, the main player in our weather is going to be a surface low that's coming off the eastern Rockies. That's going to bring us some scattered rain late tonight, more on into tomorrow morning. But then Halloween, it looks like we're going to have quite a bit of rainfall throughout the entire day. But on the flip side, we do have warmer weather both today and tomorrow due to Gulf moisture coming up towards us. I'll show you what I mean. So early today, we do have the surface low in southwestern Kansas, and as the day progresses and we get more daytime heating, we have the Gulf moisture coming up into the south central U.S. There's a possibility of a slight risk of severe weather from anywhere from the Dallas-Fort Worth region up into Oklahoma City and then also Tulsa. But what's it going to mean for us? Well, as the surface low moves up toward the northeast into the Minneapolis-St. Cloud area, the warm front you notice just past us will give us much more warmer weather, and also the air will be moist. But as you look, the cold front is quickly approaching, which is going to lift up that moisture and give us quite a bit of rain, unfortunately, on our Halloween. And then off into the weekend, the front moves off into Canada, it weakens, and we see drier weather, but cooler weather because the cold front has passed. But anywhere probably along this eastern seaboard, we're going to see scattered rain showers, nothing really severe for them. Now, the weather today, we're going to see a high about 64, clouds building throughout the entire day, and the winds out of the east-southeast is going to be quite windy, anywhere from 10 to about 15 miles per hour, maybe some gusts higher than that. And then tonight, that's when we actually start seeing the rain showers developing. But look at that low, 56. That is quite warm. But remember, we do have the Gulf moisture headed our way. The warm front passes us, and that gives us that warm air. But then tomorrow, unfortunately, with that warm air, it's going to lift, and we're going to see quite a bit of rainfall on our Halloween, high of 61. Winds are going to be out of the south. They're going to be quite strong all day long, unfortunately. But let's look at what the models are thinking about for us. This is 10 a.m. today, and the clouds are in the entire area. But look as the system approaches. This has it at about 9 p.m. today where we actually start seeing some of the rain. It might be an hour or two later or before. We'll have to just keep our eyes out on it for you. But most of the rain actually starts getting here in past midnight. So early morning hours on Friday, that's when we actually start seeing the more moderate, heavy rainfall. Throughout the night, we have rain throughout the entire area. This is 7 a.m. When we wake up in the morning for class, you might want to bring an umbrella. It's going to be raining pretty much all day. You're going to have to stick it with you the entire day, unfortunately. And then as we head out through the entire day, the rain just keeps on coming our way from that south wind that we were talking about earlier, just bringing in that moisture to us. This has at 5 p.m. still rain, and then 9 p.m. when we maybe start doing the trick-or-treating in the area, still unfortunately rain in the area. We're hoping that it clears out by 11 or midnight, but still most of our Halloween festivities will be wet. But how much rain can we actually see? This model thinks that over in the western part of Illinois, we could see over 3 inches of rain. But for us, probably 1 inch to 1.5 inches anywhere in that area for northwest Indiana. But I also want to help you take a look at the winds. As you just saw, as the storm system approaches us, comes by us, you saw a lot of the reds and the yellows indicating much stronger winds. But as the system passes us, we still have quite a bit of winds in northern Indiana in the Great Lakes region. What's that going to mean for us? Well, into our weekend, we're going to have that west-northwest wind the entire area, and that's going to bring us some cloudiness because of lake-enhanced clouds for us. I don't think we're going to have any lake-enhanced rain or lake-effect snow for us, but if you head on into the Grand Rapids region and into the UP of Michigan, that's where you might start seeing some lake-enhanced rain, maybe some lake-effect snow. Also, in the Tug Hill region of upstate New York, we may see some accumulating snowfall. Depends on where the band of snow actually lays. For the 5-day forecast, tomorrow, rain throughout the entire day. Halloween is going to be soggy all day long, unfortunately, but by Friday the system clears out and we do have drier weather, peaks of sun throughout the entire day on Friday. The winds really start picking up though on Saturday and Sunday, giving us a lot more cloudiness to the area. Those clouds are going to not help us get really much warmer. So this weekend, cooler weather, probably some gusty winds at times, and just cloudiness all day. Not the perfect weekend, but at least it's not raining. And then hopefully into next week, We could see a little bit of a rebound in temperatures, hopefully sunny, but we may have another system approaching our area. But always stay tuned to VUTV Weather. You can go to our Facebook page at VUTV Weather to find the latest information for your weather needs in Northwest Indiana. I'm Storm Shield Meteorologist Matt Stoughton. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, Valpo.